Meaning of Godhead.
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 Godhead. Godhead refers to the divine nature or essence of a supreme being, typically in reference to the Christian or Hindu God. It can also be used to describe a group of deities or divine entities. The concept of Godhead is deeply rooted in religious and philosophical thought, and it often carries connotations of power, transcendence, and omnipotence. In some traditions, the Godhead is seen as the ultimate reality underlying all of existence. Overall, Godhead represents a complex and multifaceted idea that has inspired many different interpretations and beliefs throughout history.